Time to review the work with the contractors. That's what we're here back in Germantown to do. Our clients have decided that they are going to rent this place and have us manage it instead of selling. So I got my flooring guy, I've got my overall general contractor, and my siding guy coming. And we're gonna walk through this thing, start getting measurements, figure out layouts, and start formulating some pricing for these homeowners. Then we're gonna get to work, get this thing knocked out, and we'll have it ready for rent pretty soon.
We can get that pretty darn close. It's hard to get them
Yeah,
around.
it's almost impossible to wrap a rectangle around a circle, I get.
Yeah.
No, that makes sense.
So, but we can, what I usually do is I kind of do like an L piece and get the part, and then we notch it to get the frame around.
Right.
And then we'll do a flat piece on top that overhangs a 1/4 inch and then kind of caulk the back to seal it.
Makes sense.
Yeah, and that way it kind of overlaps a little bit. And I'm sure it's just a decorative, or no, that's not a room, but really.
It's attic.
Just attic.
Yeah, it's just attic, so.
No one looking out is going to see the caulking edge, you know.
Right. Now, do we have to do any wood replacement? I know there was some where, like, on the chimney that was pretty
a couple
rough.
spots, but
And then I think even kind of over here.
Regular, pine or something to replace it because we're capping it anyway.
All right, that's what I figured.
Anything that's rotten, I figured on having a couple pieces of board, because it's not like.
Yeah, because I
you
mean,
have
we
to replace
got.
the whole corner. You can just cut it here, and
Right, and then a little bit on this corner here.
Right. That's just a piece of 6.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's just 5. That's just 5 quarter by 6.
And it's hard to tell from this angle, but back in that on the corner, you can see it better. It's all rotten up in there.
Yeah, up in behind the
So
gutter there.
the property line runs really weird here. Basically, up to the side of the house over is this neighbor.
Okay.
So they technically don't have any yard on this side. Yeah. And then, but they have this piece on that side of the house.
Right.
I don't know how they worked
How
that,
they
but
got that through zoning.
yeah, I was like, there's got to be some sort of. Never mind. I guess not.
Well, I guess we just have to knock on the neighbor's door.
Yeah, just be like, hey, we're going to be.
It's just a straight run. Anyway.
Right. Say they're cool with the neighbors, but just hey, we're going to be
Just let them
tromping on your yard for a minute. And then yeah, all right, well, cool.
Yeah, I got my measurements, and I figured there is a little rake up the back. Did you know that?
I did not.
That's on the back side of that chimney.
I don't know what he just said, but we're going to find out. That's why I hire professionals.
So, yeah, right here where this jets in,
Okay.
there's a little roof return that runs up.
Oh yeah, I see what you're saying.
So,
Okay. I can zoom in on that.
and then new chimney cap.
Yep. Yeah, that's what he was referring to in there.
Now on the door, did you want a new storm door or?
No, we're leaving the doors and the windows.
Okay.
And honestly,
What
I'll.
I can do is I can.
Well, one
it
thing
might be
I'm
better
gonna.
to just paint that in
I'm gonna
case
try to
you
get
paint
them
that
to
anyway.
remove that, because especially on rental properties, I hate storm doors
Yeah.
because they break all the
all
time. So trying to minimize
Yeah, if
their
they can take
exposure,
that
their
off,
costs.
Then we'll just wrap the jam.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Yeah, that's something I
Thank you
missed
for the
earlier.
first coat of
So
paint on the
thank you
doors.
for pointing that out.
Yep. That's a little soft.
Right. And they have a landscaper coming out to do. This tree needs to be trimmed way the heck back.
Yeah.
And same with the one out front. So I don't know when they have that lined up yet, but that'll at least give you some space to work.
Sure. Okay. I think I got what I need then.
Okay, perfect.
And yeah, like I said, I got here about 20 minutes early, so I went around and took measurements. And
A contractor showing up early? What?
I know, right?
We just finished with Dave outside. Now we're coming inside with my flooring guy, Mr. Julio. In the kitchen, we want to try to match this flooring as best as possible.
Laminate or LVP? LVP.
Yeah, LVP. And putting that in here. I don't know if we have to, if you have to pull this, or we can just lay right over top.
So, lay at the top is.
So they got some obviously gaps in everything. So if we have to pull it to make it all completely level, it is what it is. Just to make it right, because there used to be a transition strip there.
Yeah. remove all the old vinyl and put new.
Right. And then they had, there was a water leak from the old fridge.
Oh, okay.
Nothing crazy, but a little bit right there. You can get a 1/4 inch.
Yeah, this better be removing everything.
Okay. That's what I figured.
Mhm.
So we'll do that all through the kitchen, in the laundry, and then in that bathroom as well.
Oh,
It's the same floor. And if we could remove the transition strip and just have one
yeah.
clean
Yeah,
floor
one piece
everywhere, that'll make things a whole heck of a lot better. And then whatever, if we have to put a transition strip here, then it is what it
that's
is.
the only place we
Upstairs, clean all the carpets.
clean the carpet.
They might need to be stretched a little bit. As you can see, they're kind of folding a little bit. Overall, these are in really good shape. That room's never used. This room, we're probably gonna have to kick some corners because it's starting to buckle up some, and this floor needs to be replaced.
Those, ceramic?
Yes.
You need to take it out?
Yeah.
Take it out and put the
Take it up and drop the LVP. Same that we're using in the kitchen.
same color.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, this is all beat up and wasn't cut right. I mean, if you can get a pinky's pinky's length worth of grout in there, that's
Yeah.
not a good joint.
Okay, we're removing all this.
Yep. So pull all of this, drop some LVP down, and then in the master, let's see, they had, this was the old carpet, and then they had a little bit of a plumbing leak. It's been fixed a long time ago. But thinking about just running a line across here diagonal.
Yeah, to there.
Yeah.
And put every piece
And then put the LVP in there. That bathroom floor is fine. I don't think we need to touch that.
Oh, okay. No, this one.
Yep. So just LVP in this section here.
Alright.
And then
And clean all the carpets.
clean all the
And
carpets.
stretching the steps.
Yep. It's a fancy machine you got there. Is that a laser level?
Yeah.
Or a laser measure? Laser measure?
Yeah.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, take it in there too.
Yeah, probably we need to remove
Yeah.
the door.
Pull the doors.
Yeah.
Shoot. I hate doing all of that, but I think, yeah, good call. That is needed. And basement. The carpeting here is good. We'll clean this down here. But then this room back here needs replaced. Carpeting in here is pretty beat up.
Okay.
So just replace this carpet in here. Just finished reviewing everything with the contractors from exterior to interior. We're gonna knock this thing out and it's gonna be great. So if you know somebody looking for a great rental that is gonna be really nicely renovated, drop a comment, give me a call, leave me a call. That's funny. Drop a comment or give me a call. ChrisThompsonTeam.com to book a call.